man, it is so difficult to get out of bed when it's so cold outside. I was so comfy cozy in my blankets just now. I just got my first order. It looks like this is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $10 and some change, going 5 miles, 2 items. Looks like they might be baking something. I wonder what it is.
Welcome. If you have your phone on,
I just realized this is a meet at door. Lovely. It says straight down past the leasing office and the pool. I'm in the last building. Okay. I've been to this apartment complex like 1 time, so I don't know where I'm going. Kind of guessing, to be honest. I don't know if across the street we've got the same complex or not. Yeah, those directions did not really help at all. If you drive into the complex and drive straight down past the leasing, assuming they meant this way then. Okay, so even those directions don't make sense. Oh my God. Okay, this person needs to fix their pin. There's no way her directions make any sense. Unless that means this. Of course it does mean this. It's literally the first, oh my God, dude. Literally the first building that you walk into. Well, that's really annoying. There are at least 4 entrances to that apartment complex, and their directions make the least sense entering the way I did, which was the closest one from the store. So, lucky me. Just got the next order. This is gonna be for Chick-fil-A, $12 going 4 miles. It's not ready yet, but should be a good order.
This is for Jacqueline right here.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Have a great day.
You too. Going back to Chick-fil-A, this is going to be $12 going 4.5 miles. Again, probably not ready, but still going to be a good order.
Here you go.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Have a good one.
You as well. Ooh, kind of high mileage on this one, but I've got a pretty good feeling about it. This is Voodoo Donut, $17.25 going 8.5 miles.
Get any cool content for your GoPro lately?
Nothing too crazy. It's just Vancouver. Earlier this year, I went to the other Vancouver up in Canada.
You're always telling me that I live in the worst Vancouver.
Yeah, I have a friend who lives up there too, so tells me the same thing. But I went up there and visited, and I get it.
You want a donut?
I would love a donut.
Oh, you know tweakers, they be doing what they be doing.
I had a good feeling about this order. Free donut. Gimme, gimme. That's a big donut. Chick-fil-A, $9 going 4.5 miles. Sure.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
Oh, thanks.
Mm-hmm.
I should get a GoPro. Some of the stuff you see.
Thank you.
Pleasure. Have a great one.
You as well. The waits have only been like 5 minutes each time, so I can handle that. It is super dead right now. It looks like there is $2 peak pay on DoorDash right now, so I'm assuming that has something to do with it. A lot of people out and about collecting that. I finally got an order. This is gonna be for Angels, $10 going 4.5 miles.
Doesn't have that many features. The one I saw.
Gotcha.
Thank you. Didn't need the gate code after all. You got lucky. You got lucky. QR code press. Bro, what are you even sending me? He sent me a link to a website, I guess for like a guest code to enter. Whatever. We're not doing all that. This is downstairs. Just got the next order. This is gonna be for Taco Bell. $10 going 5 miles. Taco Bell orders are always kind of funny because it's telling me that there's 26 items in this, right? Turns out 20 of them are sauce packets. So this might actually be ready for me. Thank you. You as well. I wasn't really paying attention, but I don't think they gave him 20 sauce packets, so hopefully I get the full tip. And it's asking to drop off with the receptionist. I can do that.
Hello. Yep. Thank you. Have a good day.
You as well, thank you. You know, I thought it was gonna be a better day than it turned out to be. Money-wise, at least. The sun finally came out, so it's looking like a nice day in terms of that. But anyways, current time is 11:27. Current total is 77. And I should have just 2 Uber tips yet to come in, so probably close to 90, 95-ish if I'm lucky. But yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.